So here's the new stamp set we are releasing today. It's called Beary Sweet and it is so cute. I had so much fun coloring up these images. We have a sentiment that says, "A little treat for someone so very sweet. I like you very much. Hi." There's two smiley faces that you can stamp on this little jar of candy, the cupcake, the cotton candy, this little candy here, or the donut. And then of course that cute bear holding the cupcake with a little bow up in the corner. It's just adorable. There's also a heart that you can stamp in any color. It's a solid stamp. So let me take off the images and we will create a card, and you can see what the stamp set looks like without the colored images here. So there is a die available for separate purchase if you want to cut out all the images with the die. It also does cut out the sentiments as you've seen. I colored the images to coordinate with our paper pad Sweet Love. This is released this month for our paper pad club designs. So it's a really pretty paper pad. It's got some cutouts in here that you can cut the images out and use on the front of your card. Love the colors. This is perfect for Valentine's Day project or a coffee themed project. So let's go ahead and make a card. Here's a project I made using this paper pad. We did a live stream celebrating Debbie J's Crafting Corners YouTube event for her 4K milestone, and I made this box on the live, and this just turned out so cute with this paper pad. So I'm really looking forward to making something with this paper pad again. So I'm going to use the stamp set and let's create something. Okay, so I have two panels. I'm going to put those down as my base, and I'm just going to layer a bunch of the patterns. So let's get this glued on. Going to leave a nice little border around my card. Okay, so I want this one in the middle, and I've been using these Doodlebug mini paper doilies, and I'm just obsessed with them now. I have those in the shop in an array of colors, and I thought I just use the white ones because I use a lot of white cardstock, so it's going to go with most of the cards that I make. But the doily, and then this one I'm going to put, let's see, I want to stick it down towards the bottom or in the center. I think I'll just do it in the center. I wanted some of that peach color to go on my card since I did color some of the images to match. And then we'll just pop that right in the center and plop our little bear right there. I'm going to have the sentiment Beary Sweet. Let's see, I want to make room for the sentiment, so let's think about where I want everything. So I'm going to pop up this sentiment with some foam tape, so I'm going to put it in between these two panels. I'm going to have this candy with the bear right on the side. I'm going to put the little heart above there and another heart above the bear. And then I want the sentiment, this one at the top. So I'm trying to figure out if the doily looks better on the side or in the center. Maybe if I put this one on this side and this one on this side and this in the center, it will balance out. Let's do that. So doily right in the center. Pop up our sentiments. Let's add our sentiments in all of our images. So we're just going to pop that on right there. Let's add our bear to the center. And then our candy. I'm going to add a little glue to this part here. And our Beary Sweet sentiment right here at the bottom. Okay, how cute is that? Now just to top it off with some bling. Okay, so there we go. Isn't that adorable? So I really want to make one of those boxes with this because I think the little sentiment, a little treat for someone so very sweet, is going to be adorable with the box. So I think I'm going to do one of those. I almost forgot to add my little hearts. So let's put the little heart on. I'm going to add some extra glue on that one. And stick that right above him or her. And my other heart, I'm going to pop it up right above the candy. Put that one on an angle. There we go. I think that is so cute. I think I can't help myself but to put some Nuvo crystal glaze on this cherry. And let's see. Oh, I'd love to do the nose. I'm just afraid to ruin it. So I'm gonna put the glaze on this little heart and the heart on the sentiment, and I think I'll call it done because I don't want to ruin it. I have a little bubble in this one, so I'm going to pop it. So that completes today's card. I hope you enjoyed it. Run on over to the shop to grab the brand new stamp set. And also today is the release for Lawn Fawn, so I have all the new Lawn Fawn goodies in the shop as well. So you can pick up the stamp set along with your Lawn Fawn goodies. So thanks so much guys for stopping on by, and I will catch you real soon. Bye guys.